In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Outlook with Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your Outlook inbox to Teams and set up a Teams meeting right from the Outlook web experience, all in a couple of clicks. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. This is the web version of Outlook, and it's the easiest place to see the Teams integration in action. If you're prompted, sign in the way you normally do for your Microsoft account. Once your mailbox loads, give the page a moment to finish syncing. You'll know you're ready when your folders and inbox items have fully appeared. Now look toward the top right of the Outlook window. You'll see the Teams option there. Depending on your layout, it might look like the Teams logo or a small icon that opens Teams features. Go ahead and click it. This is what links your Outlook experience to Teams, letting you jump into Teams without leaving Outlook. In many cases, it opens a panel or a new tab that brings the Teams interface to you. If this is your first time, it may take a second to load as it connects everything behind the scenes. With that connection in place, you can book a meeting or schedule a meeting directly associated with Teams. Practically speaking, this means you can set up a new calendar event that includes an online meeting link your attendees can use to join in Teams. Choose the date and time that works, add a clear title so everyone knows the purpose, and invite the people who need to be there. Add a brief agenda in the description so participants arrive prepared. When you finish, send the invite so it lands on everyone's calendars with the Teams link automatically included. A few quick tips as you do this. Double-check time zones if your team is spread across regions to avoid confusion. Keep meeting titles concise and specific, like Project Check-In or Client Debrief, and use the description for any files or links attendees should review beforehand. If you're working with external guests, keep in mind they can usually join from a browser without installing the full Teams app, which makes access easier. If you don't see the Teams option in the top right, it may be because your organization manages that setting or it's temporarily hidden. A quick refresh can help, and your admin can confirm whether Teams is enabled for your account. That's it. Go to outlook.live.com, click Teams at the top right, and then book or schedule your meeting. Simple, fast, and all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.